If you're looking to grow vegetables in your shady yard, you're in the right place. Here are some veggies that thrive in the shade. Leafy vegetables such as spinach, arugula, kale, and lettuce are great choices for planting in a shady yard. Spinach can be used in salads or sautéed with garlic and olive oil as a side dish. It is an excellent source of vitamins K, A, and C, and also of iron. Arugula can be used in salads or blended into pesto. It is a good source of vitamins A and C and of the minerals calcium and iron. Kale can be used in smoothies or baked as kale chips. It is a great source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and potassium. Lettuce is great in salads or on sandwiches. It is a good source of fiber which can help regulate your bowel movements and promote feelings of fullness. Lettuce is a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. It's also a great source of folate and potassium. Swiss chard can be used in soups or sautéed with onions and garlic. It is a good source of vitamin A, C, K, and potassium. Many root vegetables grow well in a shady area. Radishes can be sliced and added to salad or roasted and used as a side dish. They're high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Carrots can be roasted or used in soups and stews. They're an excellent source of vitamin A, fiber, and potassium. Beets can be roasted or pickled. They're a good source of fiber, folate, and potassium. Some studies show that beets can increase your levels of nitric oxide, which can help lower your blood pressure and increase your cardiovascular health. Brassicas such as broccoli and cauliflower can be grown in the shade. Broccoli can be roasted or used in stir fries. It is a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and antioxidants. Cauliflower can be eaten raw or made into pizza crust. It is a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. Now that you have all these healthy veggies growing in your shaded yard, you will want to give them some extra flavor by adding delicious herbs such as parsley, cilantro, dill, and mint, which also don't mind the shade. Overall, these vegetables offer a variety of nutritional benefits, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. By incorporating these vegetables into your diet, you can ensure that you are getting a wide range of nutrients. If your yard is too shady to grow sun-loving vegetables, plant some of these to become more food independent. Thanks for stopping by the old Mayfield place today. Stay healthy, get to planting those shade-loving vegetables, and have a blessed week.